We got a Porsche Cayenne and I'm filming at 60 FPS today. We got a Jag! Look at it. Fuck off. There it is. Look. BMX5. We got the fucking pickup truck GLS thing. What the fuck? Oh my god, we got a Saab. We got a Saab. We got a Land Rover Defender back there. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, and a Porsche. What the f? Another Land Rover Defender. And don't get fooled by the sirens. They're not over. Another Land Rover. My range over there. Start again. Doing this. Land Rover Defender. Wow. Yeah, so long one. First Bentley of the day. Look at that. We got yet another Bentley. It's so nice, that Bentley. Fuck off!